let's look at how to find measures of center using RStudio. To start with, I have this line x equal to faithful $ eruptions, and I'm going to go ahead and run this. This refers to a data set that's already previously saved and loaded into RStudio. It's part of the RStudio download. And then I want to just call it x so that it's easier for me to type. The first thing I want to look at is the mean. For this, we use the command mean, parentheses, and then inside the parentheses we put our data set, in this case x. And if I run this line, we get the mean of 3.487783. We can also use the median command and then parentheses with our data set, and that'll give us the median value, in this case 4. We can also use this summary of x command. We have the word summary, parentheses, and then our data set. And if I run this, it gives me several things, one of which is the median of 4, and one of which is the mean of 3.488. We'll talk about this first quartile and third quartile in a different video, but this one also gives me the smallest and largest data values. So we can find our mean and median by running these separate commands, or we can run summary and get them both to us at once with other information.
If you would like to see Professor Pierce make more videos like this one, you can support her on Patreon in the link below. Any and all support means a lot to her. It allows her not only to make more videos, but it also allows her to campaign for free and accessible online education to conferences and other universities. Thank you for watching, and remember, math is for everyone.